Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing great. This is just a short demo of my gear indicator for a motorcycle that can also be used with individual inputs in a car. And anyway, I finished this for a customer and I will ship it out tomorrow, and I wanted to show you and him about his startup screens that he wanted. Right now it is connected to 12 volt input, up to 20 volts are allowed. And when you first power it up, I'll show you the startup screens, but when you first power it up and it's not neutral, it will say please select neutral, so it knows where to start from to count and to reset, of course, your gear. So I'm turning it off, turning it on, and as you can see, he has a Honda, and these are the two startup screens that I made for him. So once you start up, as I said, if it's not in gear, it will show you please select neutral, and the neutral is blue. I didn't have any green wires, normally I do green. And if you connected it to a switch that goes to neutral, it will show neutral. And then you have your shift up and shift down inputs, upshift or downshift, depending on how you want to call it. And again, I was actually really out of colors, so I have two inputs in white. So let's see if we're lucky. Okay, this was the downshift into first gear, and then the upshift goes as follows. He has a 6-gear motorcycle or transmission, goes up to 6th, and then you can shift down again. Let me see if my hand is not covering the display. And here obviously it goes from 2nd to 1st gear, and then if you select neutral again, it will show neutral. So that's it. And also I want to show you something else. These are inputs that connect to ground, but if you accidentally connect them to 12 volt, nothing happens on none of them, because they have reverse input protection diodes. So again, if I go to first and then up, maybe not all the way up to 6th, and then go down, and then you select neutral again. So that's pretty much it. You have plus minus 12 volt, two inputs, upshift, downshift, and one neutral input. It's as simple as that. And anyway, since this is a really short video, I wanted to show you something else that I received today. And this will be my next watch build. Totally nothing to do with the gear indicator, nothing to do with electronics. And I just wanted to show you this because I really like this. And anyway, just a teaser. If you're interested in my watch builds, I do mechanical watch builds. You can see them in my YouTube channel. If you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will get notified and you will not miss any videos. So this was it, just a very short demo of my gear indicator with a color IPS screen. Ugh. And this will go out tomorrow. Thanks for watching and take care, everybody.